Hi everyone and welcome back. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I have a super exciting video for you guys today, and of course you can tell from the title it's going to be an unboxing, and it's going to be an Hermes unboxing. So if you've been following my videos recently, my couple of vlogs, you will know that I received a big package. Ooh, okay, so it is in this box and I'm so excited to reveal what it is, guys. So this bag is really special. I'm going to unbox it, give you guys the eye candy, and then I'll talk you through it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and show you guys the packaging that you get with it. The reason for that is because this is actually a pre-loved item from a website that you all know. If you follow me, you all know that I absolutely love. It's called STRATHFIELD, and I think it's a fantastic website. Highly recommend it to anyone and everyone that is looking for designer items at a really good price. So, this is not sponsored, and if it is, I mean, I would only be so lucky, but it's definitely not sponsored. This is just me purely showing you guys and letting you know my story, my context with purchasing this bag. Okay, so you get, obviously, the shipping box. Now, don't mind this. This is not STRATHFIELD's fault. This crease here is because TNT, which is the courier, they had a really heavy box stacked on top. So don't worry, this is not like an indication that STRATHFIELD didn't store their boxes properly or anything, or didn't like pack their boxes properly. They're actually incredibly good with their packaging, which I will now show you. So you open this up. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what you get is the receipt here, which I actually want to show you guys because I've purchased maybe about 5 items from them, and in each of them they give you like a really cute handwritten note, and it's just that personal touch that I really think is special. And then you get, obviously, the receipt. So I'll tell you guys the price as soon as I show you the item. I'm going to show you the rest of the packaging as well. So you get it in this beautiful tissue paper. You unfurl it. More tissue paper. See, it is packed really well. So then you get more tissue paper, and underneath you get the dust bag. Now, whether you get a dust bag or the box from the designer, you know, that's not up to STRATHFIELD. That's just up to the person that gave STRATHFIELD the bag to sell. So if the previous owner had a box, they would have given it to you. Alright guys, so we have my new Hermes bag, and I am absolutely so excited for this, and I will tell you a little bit behind why I got this once I reveal it. So I am so excited, you guys. It's just too freaking fabulous. And it is the Hermes Herbag in the orange canvas and the gold leather. So the gold leather, and this palladium hardware, but the gold leather. So the leather is, the color is called gold, but it's actually like a tan. Show you guys, there we go. It's beautiful. Show you the side as well. The back, you've got a strap. It's got the back. I will cut this off in a second. So there is a padlock that goes with it, which I'll show you guys in a moment. But that's pretty much the bag. So it's got the top handle and the strap, and this bag is amazing. Oh my god. All right, so let me show you guys everything, because you do actually get something else with this, and it is, so you undo the front, you open it up, and you get a clochette and a padlock as well to go with it. So in this smaller dust bag you have the clochette, and it has the keys inside as well. You get 2 keys. You also do get the amazing, iconic Hermes H padlock. So this is all palladium plated hardware, so it's the shiny silver. So what you do with the bag is you pop the padlock. You can if you want to, you don't have to. But actually, you know what? I'm not returning this, so I'm gonna cut this off. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I have my handy scissors. I have a pair of scissors in my room because I get so much packaging and boxes, and yeah, I need this in my room so that I can properly unbox things. And, oh, okay, that's not going very smoothly. There we go. Alright you guys, so the label is off, which means this bag is officially mine. I cannot return it. Luxor Forward has a 14-day return policy for their handbags. So if you purchase anything, you see it, you get it shipped to you, you have 14 days to return it. Very much like any other store. So you do have the option, if you wanted to, is to put the padlock on the back here. And then what you do is you can then hang the clochette along the front, like so. And that's probably how I'm going to wear the bag. I will have the clochette because I feel like the clochette is part of the look. As you can see on my Birkin, I do the same with the padlock and the clochette. However, with the padlock though, the bad thing is when you put it on the back, this is specifically designed for the padlock. The bad thing is you get what the Hermes community has coined the smiley face mark, because what happens is your padlock will swing from side to side and it will actually scratch the leather. So you can see here, I'm not sure if my camera will pick it up, but can you see, yes, there we go. Can you see that mark, that semicircle mark? That mark is caused by the padlock swinging back and forth from the bag. So what I'm going to do is not actually hang it there, but let me just give you a couple more details of the bag first. So immediately what you guys can see is the striking resemblance to the Hermes Kelly. So I was telling you guys before, there is a bit of context to why I purchased this bag. And the reason for that is, as you might have known from my recent vlogs, I've done a bit of shopping. You know, I went to Hermes, I went to Cartier. I've got a couple of big steps in my life that I'm taking soon. And you know, to give you guys a hint, I'm going to be starting my own business. That's the kind of like big steps that I'm taking. And so as a result of that, I am rewarding myself. So I've been going a bit crazy with the shopping recently. Now, as you all know, with the Hermes game, with the Birkin and Kellys, you have to, you know, play the game. You've got to buy things, develop a relationship, etc. So as part of my reward, I am doing this shopping because I'm trying to get a Kelly. So I already have, as you know, if you follow me for a while, I have 2 Birkins. I have this Birkin 35 in the blue Zanzibar. Then I also have another Birkin behind, which is in the Few, which is orange, or it's translated from French to English as fire. So it's this bright orange, and it's a Birkin 30. So because I've got 2 Birkins already, the next bag I'm aiming for is going to be a Kelly. So for that reason, I am wanting to get a Kelly. And I'm on the waiting list. I've already put my wish in with my SA. So fingers crossed, 3 months, 6 months, maybe 12 months, I don't know. Hopefully I'll get a call to get a Kelly. Before I do get the Kelly though, that's why I purchased this bag. Because this bag is basically, you know, the Kelly's little sister. And so I was like, okay, well, if I'm going to be aiming for a Kelly, I might as well get like a bag that is basically the Kelly, so that I can get used to the opening, I can get used to the structure and the shape of the bag. Birkins you don't really need to get used to because it's just a tote bag. The Kelly is very, very different. It's, you know, 30 centimeters wide, so it's the same as the Birkin 30, but it's a lot narrower, like the Birkin will come out to maybe about here. So it's like, because it's a tote bag. This one's a lot thinner, and it kind of tapers up, like slants inwards, and it's thin at the top. So it's a very different shape. And so that's why I'm like, okay, well, I might as well get a baby Kelly so I can start getting used to the Kelly shape. Because, I mean, who knows? I might use this and I might be like, I absolutely hate the Kelly shape. I can't. Maybe I might say I can't fit anything in there. The thing is really annoying to get in and out of, and I might not want it. You know, who knows? But anyways, that's the context as to why I purchased this bag. Yeah, so that's kind of like the backstory about why I got the why I got the Herbag. Alright guys, so let me just run you through a couple more things, because there are a few key things that you should know, and part of the reason why I actually think this bag is amazing, why I'm not spending 14 days to think about whether I'm keeping it. So you have the top handle, and if you follow me for a while, you will know I love bags with top handles. The strap as well, it's so good. You know, it's very comfortable. I can't wear it crossbody because I'm really tall, but I can wear it on the shoulder, and I can stuff this and it'll be really nice and comfortable. So, details of the bag. You have your classic sangles, these are called, the straps on the side, they're called sangles. You have this buckle in the middle where you pop the bag through, and then you pop the top on top, and then you can close it and loop it through. In the back, you have a pocket. You can put like your key items in there, so whether that be a phone, a travel train pass, whatever it is, things that you get in and out all the time. And this is really, really good because this bag has a bad reputation in terms of being able to get in and out of. In order to get in and out of the bag, you have to really kind of like push the top flap onto the buckle, and sometimes it's pretty hard to do. You know, that being said, I'm sure the Kelly will have a similar kind of experience. So, you know, that's something that I'm going to have to learn. I have watched maybe about 10 different Herbag unboxings and reviews, and they've all said the same thing. At the beginning, it's really hard to get in and out of, but once you get used to it, it's like riding a bike. Once you learn and you know, like it just becomes muscle memory and it's easy. So if you guys are thinking about this bag, please don't let that stop you. The other thing about this bag, which I think is a really big positive, is the leather is incredibly nice. It is really thick. I mean, have a look at this strap and how thick this strap is. Like, can you guys see how thick that strap is? It's absolutely amazing. It's treated on one side, and on the side that it's treated, it feels like lambskin. It feels like Chanel lambskin. It is beautifully buttery, soft and supple. On the other side though, it is untreated, so it's suede basically. It's untreated leather. But it is so thick and so durable. That's another thing that I have read in other reviews, which is that the bag is incredibly durable. I think I heard one girl say that like her bag was like splashed with like a bucket of water because she was washing her car, and it came out looking brand spanking new. There were like no watermarks on the leather, no watermarks on the canvas either. So really durable. So if you guys are looking for a hard wearing bag, this is it. Now I just realized I haven't shown you the inside. So it comes stuffed with tissue paper, so I'll take that out. See what I mean? Like Luxit Forward its packaging is really good. Oh, so this one comes with a bag organizer. So I was very lucky when I purchased this, which I will tell you guys. I remember the price actually. So I saw this, I click onto Luxit Forward basically every single night because I check whatever gets uploaded fresh every day. I saw this, boom, instant checkout. I purchased it straight away. And this bag was $1,990, I think. Okay, maybe I don't remember the price. Let me check the receipt. Okay, this bag, yes, $1,995. And do you know what this currently retails for? Take a guess. Put in the comments, take a guess. What do you think a canvas bag from Hermes will cost? So I will tell you. It is $4,400. A canvas bag from Hermes is $4,400. I looked up, there is a navy Herbag available at the Sydney George Street boutique for $4,400. So I was like, yeah, okay, no, I'm fine. Like, I'd rather, I mean, like a Kelly or an Hermes is like 15,000. So I'd rather put that 4,000 towards the Kelly, right? Highly recommend going the pre-loved route. It's just amazing. Like, the condition of this bag is flawless. Absolutely flawless. Except, actually, that's a lie. There's one mark here. On the bottom, there is a pen mark, I think it is. Not sure if you guys can see that. There it is. It's a pen mark, I think. But I think maybe the previous owner didn't know this, or maybe she just, or he just didn't spend the money. Because it's canvas, I can take this off and I can take it to the dry cleaners to get it washed. So I'm actually not too worried about this. I think I can get this off. But otherwise, you guys can see, perfect condition. It's incredible. The stitching, none of it's coming apart, none of it's loose. Everything is perfect. The leather is perfect. Apart from, like, you know, scratches like that, that's inevitable. It's otherwise in perfect condition. So very, very happy with the bag. And I got super lucky because I also got the bag organizer that the previous owner used with this bag, and obviously he or she didn't want it, so gave it to me. Or sold it with the bag. So I got a bag organizer, which is perfect, because one potentially negative thing is that there's no base to the bag, so it will sag like that. It's not going to stay flat. It will sag if you don't have a bag organizer or a base shaper. What else do you need to know? Oh, yes, that's right. So there's no zip pockets or anything because it's just canvas, but there is a zip pouch that comes with it, attached by a strap, which can be undone. There's a little loop in here that you just kind of loop it through, so you can take this out if you wanted to. Don't have to. But yeah, that's pretty much the inside of the bag. You can see, yeah. So, this is my bag. This is my brand new bag, and I'm so, so excited, guys, because I have been waiting to use this for so long, and I'm really, really excited. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the bag back together, and I'm going to wear the bag or put the clochette on in the same way that I would on my other Hermes bags and show you kind of the end results. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to put this through. Oh, see, it's actually like not even that hard. So that actually only took me like a couple of seconds. Alright. That only took me like 5 seconds, so that was actually not too hard. So, yeah, guys, like don't be afraid to use this bag if you're like worried, if you're like, oh no, you know, the bag's really hard to get in and out of. It's really not. Beautiful. Okay. So this is probably how I would wear the bag. You've got the clochette, the padlock. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so stunning. I love this bag. Alright, you guys. So, with that, I'm going to finish off. Because it is a work day, I'm actually just literally filming this on my lunch break. So, I will sign off. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the comments below. I love kind of having a chat with you guys. And yeah, just kind of catching up. Alright, so I'm going to finish off because, like I said, I was recording this during my lunch break, so I need to go back to work. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!